Carjacking East will be patched into reach time 3 on a occupied stolen taken in conjunction. They're westbound I-70 in Prospect, Port Estate. Stand by for the patch.
70 loop here. Approaching 13th.
Copy.
Number 1 lane, speed 75. Looks like it's in the number 3 lane. Coming up on Grand, speed 90.
21 I-670 in Grand.
Looks like it's taking 670, split at 35. Looks like we're coming up on the Wyoming, Genesee exit. Number 2, if you want to start calling it.
121 again. Got it. Speed's about 90, 95, still westbound, passing Genesee now. Got to be in Kansas in just a second.
KCK 113, we're coming up to 670 in Central now. We're going to see if we can get permission for stakes here in a second.
Copy. He's currently number 2 lane. Speed's about 90 to 100.
And what was the cross street?
Okay, number 3 lane. Speed's 100. Approaching Central, moderate traffic.
Yeah.
It's going to be exiting on Central. Speed's down to about 60.
31, I'm seeing some sparks coming up in the front end on the passenger side. Not sure if he's getting ready to lose his tire here.
Get down here. Second, guys.
Copy. He's coming right to you.
Where were the sticks at?
He missed the stick, still westbound.
Cross street?
Westbound on Central, just past 6th Street, approaching 7th.
Central westbound.
Okay, past 7th, turning around towards the south here. Speed about 60 to 70. Light traffic.
Should be only primary and secondary cars in Kansas.
Okay, we just passed Mill. Speed still 60 to 70. Alright, he's past Ferry, 10th Street, north on 10th. Speed's 50. Light traffic.
30 northbound.
Alright, 10th and Lions, northbound. Speed's about 70. Light traffic.
Just keep in mind that he was on at the time of the carjacking.
Alright, we passed Split Lock, and it's going to change directions here. Looks like Ella on westbound, one way. Light traffic. Speed's about 50. Alright, past 11th Street. Got a car in front of us. Just trying to make a way around him. Speed's about 40. No traffic. Alright, turn south on North 12th.
Open what?
Alright, we're coming back towards Split Lock the wrong way. Head back towards, give me a second here, south on 11 from Split Lock. Speed's about 50. Control.
Speeds are still about 65.
Okay, about lost it. We're headed back eastbound.
Eastbound where?
Calvin, headed back towards 7th or 8th Street. Not sure which.
We're on 10th, back north, I believe. Turning on to Reynolds right now. I think we're going back to the east.
Yeah, that's correct. Eastbound Reynolds.
Getting ready to bail. Disregard. Looks like a light male.
Okay, North Early, through the grass. Got shots fired, shots fired.
Patient.
One fleeing northbound through the woods. About 3 shots fired. We're giving voice commands to the passenger now. We're mid-block on Reynolds somewhere. I'm not sure why.
31, the driver, bailed. There was 1 gunshot, and he continued through the woods. Hispanic male wearing a black shirt. There's 3 people in the car right now.
Hispanic male, black shirt, on through the woods.
Alright, cars are on the north end. Stop right there.
All those cars coming down there, you need to stop right there because he's going to be blocked in here.
Go ahead.
Was it the officers that fired or the citizens?
Affirmative. Both us and I think the bad guy shot as well.
Copy. Was there any officers that were hit?
Negative.